Hey guys, Ray from Love Your RV and Boat. Today I'm going to do a quick little project and install a fold-up aluminum shelf in the bedroom. It's a company called Siphoner. Last year I purchased their shower brackets, kind of brackets for the shelf in the shower, and they worked out pretty good. The company recently contacted me and asked if I'd like to review anything else or install anything else, and this really piqued my interest. Because Anne likes to have stuff in bed with her. She reads books and things. So I installed a cup holder for her a while back, and I think this will add nicely. Because in our bedroom, the shelf is kind of behind us, which is kind of pain to turn around and get everything. So I think this will be a nice addition. Anyway, let's pop it out of the box and take a look at it. There we go. So it's about 1 foot wide and 6 inches deep. Less than 1 inch thick, and this gets screwed into a wall. Came with some screws here, but I'm going through a fairly thin wall, so I'm going to use some bolts, drill some holes and use some bolts. But looks like it's a nice shelf, painted aluminum. Take a look at the hinge here. Looks like there's some kind of Teflon vinyl shims in there. And they have 3 holes that have been countersunk. So here's my install location and side of the bed. And you can see I have a cup holder for her that she's used for many years for her nightly beverage. So I want to install it right underneath here. This is kind of a cabinet and a fairly thin wall here. So I'm going to put some holes and nuts and bolts and mount it just under there. So it'll come out like that and be able to fold up like that. So I had a look at all my spare nuts and bolts and came across these ones here. Looks like they have an Allen key head on them, and also found these nylock nuts, which is going to be perfect. I just had to expand the hole just a little bit, drill it out just a little bit, but because it's aluminum, it was very easy to drill through. So now we're all set. Okay, so I just drilled some holes through this very thin piece of board, the back side there. Yeah, it's going to be nice. She's got her cup holder here for her evening tea, and then a little shelf for glasses or whatever, phone. It's got a nice lip around it so stuff doesn't fall off. There we go. Another easy mod in the bag. Till next time, Ray from Love Your RV and Boat. Cheers, guys.